This is a picture of India at night in April 2012. NOAA releases such images for each month. Prosperous places are brighter than poorer ones, so such images are useful for measuring economic activity at high frequency and granularity. Although these images are available for free, they are difficult to use due to the lack of open source implementations. The data cleaning process requires intricate programming and a lot of CPU power. Our package solves these problems. The package opens up this great dataset to everyone, and being in Julia, it can be used with frugal computing resources. This package has been developed to help utilize the WIRS Nighttime Lights dataset for economics research. So the methods are designed to answer questions that an economist would have. The images can be opened as 2D arrays. Images of the same place at different months can be stacked together to make 3D arrays. For instance, the image of Mumbai contains 156 rows and 85 columns, and if we stack the images of 95 months, then we get a 3D array of dimensions 156 times 85 times 95. We can create a mapping of pixels of the image and coordinates of Earth using the top left pixels coordinate and the bottom right's. Once this mapping is found, it's easy to convert from one to another. For instance, 19.1 degrees is row number 96 in our image. Similarly, longitude 72.9 is column number 43. Using the mapping, you can find the radians of any coordinate and the coordinate of any pixel. Masks are 2D arrays filled with zeros and ones determine the region of interest. This mask means the region of interest is pixels with high radians. A polygon mask is a mask with ones inside the polygon and zeros outside. They can be made using shapefiles. You can load shapefiles and make polygons using the functions of the package. You can use summations to count the number of pixels, and you can use the mask area function to compute its area in square kilometers. Generally, problems include aggregating radians of images over masks. The aggregate function does that. In this example, we find the aggregate radians of Mumbai district in April 2012. We can also choose an image from the data cube. In this example, we find the aggregate radians of the 10th month. The time series of aggregate radians can also be computed using the aggregate data cube function. To use nighttime lights to make economic inferences requires cleaning of data, background noise removal, outlier removal, filling NAs using interpolation, and correcting for attenuation due to clouds are cleaning methods included in the package. Though this package has been developed for analyzing nighttime lights, at its core, the package doesn't make any assumptions about the type of the data. This package can be forked and used for studying other datasets also, such as vegetation index or air quality.